Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy, and today we are going to finish our work planner for the month of October. We are doing a Midnight Moon paper pack. Where did I put that theme? Using this paper pack from Recollections. I got it at Michael's. I've just been cutting everything up, all the pages, and finding different ways to use the elements in my planner. So we've done the dashboard, we've done the daily task pages, and the last video I just did was this really pretty, I'm kind of in love with it, journal pages. And then I did this one on my own, which is just where I record my stats. And I just had to show you guys, this planner is actually my practice planner that I just kind of practice all kinds of stuff in. And when I wanted to show the stuff, but my work planner has gold discs and it just didn't look as pretty. So I put it on this one, and it's got this super cute October cover. So I took a scan of it, and this is my actual divider from my work planner. I am going to put that on there because I want this to be what I see because I think it's so cute. Look at that. Okay, so moving right along. Today we are going to finish up by doing our monthly page. So I'll leave the rest of those in there. And let's do like this. For the monthly page, see, I gotta remember to pay sales tax on October 18th. Okay, so for this page, I wanted to use, I kind of want to do a crystal theme, so I cut these out from the strips that were in the paper pack. And these are from my shop, and they're just cute little date stickers. So I'm going to put one, and then I'll pause the video and do the rest. That way you guys don't have to sit through me placing all of these perfectly. So they're just cute little cobwebs, and it comes with a few little boxes. Great for redating, which is what I do in this one because I like to work Monday to Sunday. So I always have to redate it. So let me go put these on the page and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I just finished putting the dates on there. And now what I want to do is, I think I'm going to put some washi down. So let's see, I've got these two striped washi, one's purple, one's black. So I think I want to do like a stripe. Not a stripe. I want to do like alternating. Let's do black here, like this. And then purple. And I'm going to do that all the way down, just alternating back and forth. And I'll do that also off camera. I'll go ahead and pause it. Okay, so I'm just going to do like that, and I will be right back. Okay, so I just got the black and the purple on. Now what I want to do is, I had cut these pieces of paper, and I think I want to put these down first, like this. This is how these are going to go. And then I'm going to put the days of the week after, right? Because this is going to go across the top. Do I want those to cover the days of the week? No, I think I'm going to put the days of the week first because I don't mind if they get covered a little bit by that stuff. Well, let's see. This one, I guess I can do like this. Let me go ahead and put the paper, and then we'll do the crystals. This one I wanted to use a lot of the crystals instead of, you know, like the potions and stuff like that. We've used mostly potions on the other pages. So I wanted this one to be a little bit different. So this one's going to go here. And actually, I don't want to paste down this part yet because this needs to fit in there. So I'm going to do the same with this one. Let's go ahead and do the end. And then we'll add some glue afterwards, or some more glue. Let's do like this. And I do have to say, this has been kind of a fun little challenge for me to use, to only use a paper pack. Because really, other than like the boxes and the date stickers, which, you know, aren't included in here anyway, you know what I'm going to use, because remember I had done one on sticker paper. I'm going to use the sticker paper one first, just to kind of keep everything together. If I can unstick it to the paper. Come on. Anyway, yeah, it's been a nice little challenge, and I'm kind of proud of myself for doing it. Oh my goodness. All right. You know, I put it on sticker paper so it would be easier. Turns out to be harder. No, I'm kidding. Okay. So I kind of want to put this, I don't know, like I don't want it to move. Let's just do like this for a minute. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? All right, let me put this down because I just don't want this to move around when I'm putting that piece on here. So let's do like this, and hopefully that helps it stay. Okay. So I think that purple one is the middle part. So let's just go with that. Let's try putting the purple one there. And then this goes here. Ah, I forgot I was going to do the dates. That's all right. Not the dates, the days of the week. Let's do like this. Okay. And then before I stick it, this part down, let me get the days of the week. And they're just little days. Nothing too obtrusive. So, yeah, I kind of want it to go underneath, actually. Oh, you know what? I think I'm going to put them right on this line. That way they're kind of low. Like that. That looks cute. So they're just a little bit lower than I would typically put them. Tuesday. And then Wednesday. Those are cute. Kind of dainty. Get them off here. Thursday. Saturday. Kind of don't like how that one is. I think I might trim it a little bit. Saturday and then Sunday. Like that. I know that I love that Sunday looking like it's just on top of it. You know what? I think I'm going to trim this. Oh no, I forgot this is that one sticker paper that's really sticky. All right. Okay, so I want to trim it up a little bit. Let's do like that. And see if that works. And then I wanted to do just a smidgen over here to make it not so abrupt. All right, let's see how that looks. That looks better. Okay, so let's stick that one down again. And that should be a lot better. So that we're not covering up the Sunday too much. Oh. Line that one up there. And then line it up this way. Might have to trim that. It seems like it's going off where it's not supposed to go. Okay. Ooh, I like that so far. That looks neat. So maybe before I put these down, I will put this down because this one's going to have to be done with the glue because this one is not on sticker paper. I'm going to bring this just a little bit closer like that. And then let's put the glue on here. Oh, there's plenty in here. All right. So, and that one, the middle one was the purple, so I think I'm going to follow that guideline and just do like that. Okay. And this can come off. All right. And then let's do this piece. I feel like it's not coming out as good. There we go. Now it's coming out good. Okay. Let's go this way. That's so cool. And then this one, it's going to cover up little Mr. Spider over here, but that's okay. I don't like this right here. There. Should I cut it a little lower? Let's do a little lower so that we don't cover up Mr. Spider. Let's see if that was enough. There. He's cute. All right. Oh, maybe I should have cut this piece off. Let's see. Yeah, it's okay. You know what? I am going to cut it. Like, yeah, it's okay. No, I'm going to cut it. There. Okay. Let's do this part. And then this side. Let's come over here. It's like this. Right? Yes. So it goes like that. Oh, needs to be over just a little bit more. There. Okay. Well, doesn't that look cool? I think so. I do say so myself. Okay, I've got 2 Octobers here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them, but I mean, we know it's October, right? I think maybe I'm just going to put it right here. October. And then I've got these that I wanted to put. Let's see. I think this one, I'm going to end up putting it right here because I still have room to write over here. Let me get rid of some of this white that's sticking up. That's good. Okay. So this one I want over here in the corner. And they really didn't have a whole lot that was just, you know, the crystals. But I had this one, this little bowl full of crystals that I'm going to put right there, like this. And then I had to use eyeball because I want another eyeball in here. I really like the witch's hat. So I think the witch's hat is sticking to my fingers. I'm going to put the witch's hat up here. And then, let's see. Maybe the eyeball can go here. It looks like he's looking at the eyeball. Oh my god, it's sticking to me. Stop. And then we can do, let's put this one here. And I had this little half piece. Maybe it can go like here. And then this one there. That looks pretty cool. All right, let's stick them down. So we got this one. Let's put it up here like this. Oh, not even on the frame. There. Okay, that one. And then this one. A little purple crystal. Really not sure what people use crystals for. If anybody knows, let me know. I know there's like, I don't know, there's some people that do stuff with crystals. They're supposed to have some kind of, I don't think it's power. I don't know. I have no idea. Anyone, please educate me. What is the meaning of the crystals? And what can they do? Or what do people think they can do? They're sort of like essential oils. You know, a lot of people like the essential oils and what they do. And I'm very unfamiliar with that stuff too. Okay, let's put this one here. Yep. And then we've got the little orange one. And this page, I mean, you know, most people use it for like appointments and things. I do use it a little bit to, definitely for my sales tax, whenever my sales tax is due. Do I like it like this? Or like, no, definitely like this. And mostly I use it to record or kind of plan out sometimes what videos I'm going to do. Or what videos I did do. So that's how I use this page. I think I want it tilted like that. All right. Let's go ahead and cut this. Cut it right here. And then right there. Almost can't see. Too scared to cut the wrong place. Okay. And I do need to punch them, I think. Let's see. This thing, you need really big hands. I don't know, I must have small hands. I find it a little hard to hold. But it comes in very, very handy for when you cover up the little holes without having to take out your big punch, you know. There. And then this one. Did I do that one right? It looks kind of low. There. Okay. Well, let's get this And let's put it all back here. I will put a link to the little spider date covers in the video description in case anybody wants to get those, because they look super cute, especially for October. Cute way to cover up your dates. All right, I am very happy with this. And I didn't have high hopes, but I'm pretty happy with how everything turned out. I don't love my daily task pages, but you know what? It's okay. I do love this page. I think this came out really, really pretty. And I do love my little stats page, and this one came out way better than I thought it would, and so I'm really happy. I hope you guys are happy too, and I hope you enjoyed all of these videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.